If you're passionate about coffee and love savoring every sip, you'll know that the method you use to brew your coffee matters. For those who enjoy rich, robust flavors, a French press is often the go-to choice. Enter this Meelio Black French Press coffee maker. 12 aughts. A sleek, stainless steel double-wall insulated coffee press that promises to keep your coffee warmer longer while enhancing your brewing experience. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into what makes the Meelio Black French Press a worthy contender for your kitchen, its standout features, and why you should consider investing in this coffee maker. One of the biggest selling points of the Meelio Black French Press coffee maker is its stainless steel, double-wall insulation. This feature is not only visually striking, but also incredibly practical. The double-wall design ensures that your coffee stays hot longer than it would in a regular glass press. Imagine brewing your coffee in the morning, stepping away for an hour, and coming back to a still warm cup. It's a small luxury that coffee lovers will appreciate. The rose gold metal lid adds an extra touch of elegance to the press. Whether it's on your countertop or in your hands, this coffee maker exudes sophistication. It's also designed for non-drip pouring, meaning no more messy spills. This French press doesn't just serve coffee, it makes a statement. There's nothing worse than brewing a perfect cup of coffee only to have it go cold too soon. Thanks to the double-wall insulation of the Meelio French Press, your coffee will stay warm for hours. In fact, under standard indoor conditions, water poured at 96 degrees Celsius can still maintain a temperature above 60 degrees Celsius even after 2 hours. But it's not just about keeping your coffee warm. The rotatable double skin lid helps prevent heat loss and ensures that your coffee stays fresh until you're ready to pour your next cup. This feature makes the Meelio French Press perfect for those who want to enjoy their coffee slowly without worrying about temperature loss. Durability is key when choosing a French press, especially one that you'll use daily. The Meelio French Press utilizes an advanced welding process that ensures a seamless build. Where other presses may develop leaks or flaws over time due to poor welding, this coffee maker goes through a rigorous leak test at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to guarantee its longevity. This careful construction protects your investment, ensuring that you won't experience any deterioration in performance or appearance over time. The high level of craftsmanship makes this press more than just a coffee maker. It's a long-term kitchen companion. The Meelio French Press is all about giving you the perfect cup of coffee every time. Included with the press are 2 extra screens, which are essential in delivering a smooth, sediment-free brew. The extra filters ensure that no coffee grounds slip into your cup, allowing for a consistently clean pour with every use. This makes the Meelio French Press ideal for those who enjoy rich flavors of French press coffee, but want to avoid any grittiness. By swapping out the filters regularly, you can prolong the life of your French press while maintaining the high-quality taste of your brew. We all love a good cup of coffee, but not everyone enjoys the cleanup that follows. Thankfully, the Meelio French Press makes it easy. With a high-gloss mirror surface and an independent filter structure, this coffee maker is incredibly easy to disassemble and clean. Even though it's not dishwasher safe, the sleek design ensures that a quick hand wash will do the trick. The mirror surface also means that the French press retains its sleek, polished look even after prolonged use. With minimal effort, you can keep your Meelio French Press looking as good as new, which is perfect if you're gifting it or using it regularly at home. If you're searching for the perfect gift for a coffee enthusiast, look no further than the Meelio Black French Press coffee maker. Its compact size, 12 aughts per 350 milliliters, makes it ideal for personal use, and its premium design ensures that it'll impress even the pickiest coffee connoisseur. Whether it's for a special occasion or just because, the Meelio French Press makes for a thoughtful, practical gift that will be used daily. The combination of stylish design, durability, and functionality ensures that anyone receiving this French press will appreciate both its aesthetics and its coffee brewing capabilities. When purchasing a product like a French press, you want to be sure that your investment is protected. Meelio offers peace of mind with their commitment to customer satisfaction. Should anything go wrong with your French press, they will replace or refund your product at no additional cost, ensuring that you're completely satisfied with your purchase. This dedication to quality and customer care makes the Meelio Black French Press a smart investment. It's not just about the coffee, it's about a reliable, long-lasting product that enhances your daily routine. Why the Meelio Black French Press should be your coffee maker. From its double-wall insulation to the non-drip spout and extra filters, the Meelio French Press is designed to elevate your coffee experience. Whether you're brewing at home or on the go, this press ensures that you'll enjoy a hot, rich, and smooth cup of coffee every time. The advanced welding technology and rigorous testing ensure that this French press is durable and built to last. The rose gold metal lid and stainless steel body give it a luxurious look, while the easy clean design makes it practical for everyday use. If you're serious about your coffee and want a French press that delivers on quality, the Meelio Black French Press is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.